Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. Let's get into this video. The first tip I'm going to give is consistency. Guys, consistency cannot be overemphasized. Like, consistency is very important because you need to you need to use it as an accountability thing so that you can know, okay, you are supposed to post probably one video a week, two videos a week. Especially if you're a beginner YouTuber, you need to continue posting because you need to get to those watch hours. I have a video where I did how I got monetized, like the process before, during, and after. I'm going to link it in the description box here so that you guys can go check it out. Guys, monetization is a long journey, except you get lucky, or you get lucky basically, or your video goes really viral and stuff like that. But you need to still follow some rules before you can grow on YouTube. So consistency, be consistent with your posting of videos, sharing your content out, and you will grow from there. Now, the next point is do not focus on shorts. Guys, don't focus on shorts if you're a long form creator, a beginner creator trying to build your watch hours. Don't focus on too much shorts. Like, be posting shorts probably once a week, twice a week, so that people can go to your long form to watch it, so that you can be building that community. The community on shorts that you're building, so your shorts audience are different, totally different from your long form audience. So if you want to build your 3,000 watch hours, 4,000 watch hours, you need to be posting shorts, except you are very sure that your shorts videos are going to bring you millions of views, because you need to get 3 million to get the initial monetization, 3 million in 90 days, or 10 million in 90 days to get the full monetization. So if you are sure of yourself and yes, I can get that 10 million, nothing can stop me from making that 10 million, fine, post your shorts and be dedicated to it. But if you know your type of videos are long form videos, vlogs, tutorials, I would advise you to focus on your long form first. Then once you get monetized, you can now start focusing on shorts. Yes, shorts gives you subscribers, but after those subscribers, after you get the 1,000 subscribers, what next? Who are those people watching your long form videos to help you get to that watch hours that you need to actually get monetized? Guys, you need to really think about it and know where to place your priorities. I just thank God that I had a video that people actually started watching. It started becoming very popular on my page, and it that actually boosted my monetization process, that made me get to that monetization level quickly. And I'm just grateful to God and the people that actually kept watching my videos, helped me get that watch hours, the 4,000 watch hours. It was an amazing journey. Like I said, I'll link the video that I made in the description box so that you guys can go check it out. Now, the next point I have here is copyright music. Guys, don't go and use Davido's song when you are posting your video, or Wizkid or Ashake, just because the songs are actually interesting. Yes, they're actually interesting, but YouTube will flag it as copyright, and it can restrict you from even getting monetized. Now, you can post it and think you've gotten away with it. You've posted it, people watched the video went viral, YouTube did not tell you anything. When it's time for you to get monetized, when you get to that 4,000 watch hours, YouTube will now blast you with copyright. You'll now be wondering, which video is it? Meanwhile, you already know. You know deep down that the video that is giving you that copyright. But you decided to leave it there. You left the Ashake song playing because people are now watching it, watching your video, you're enjoying it, getting the views, seeing the watch hours increasing. You don't know that you're even spoiling your channel. So always use the YouTube audio library to get your free copyright music. I always advise people, go to that audio library. Whether you like the song or whether you don't like the song, there are so many options that you can pick that there's no way you will not like one song. I always recommend this guy, Nefex. His songs are amazing. He has instrumentals, slow songs, fast songs, rap, whatever you want. he has it. So anytime I go to the YouTube audio library, I just always search Nefex. So it brings out all the songs. And so basically, let me just tell you guys like the process of going through the audio library stuff. So you're going to go to your Chrome browser, and then you're going to go to the studio website. Once you get to the studio website, you're going to go to the left-hand side. So the left-hand side, you're going to go there and you're going to search for your audio library. So there's an option for audio library. So once you go there, you can now search for the song you want, for whatever you want, based on the genre. If you want R&B, you can select it, and to bring out all the R&B songs, there are multiple options. If you want jazz, hip-hop, it's there. So you can just search for it and to bring it out for you. So guys, take advantage of the YouTube audio library in order to avoid copyright. Now the next thing is research your niche. Guys, you need to research the niche that you want to. If it's beauty, sewing, fashion, whatever you want to do, you need to research on it and know what works basically on the YouTube platform. So before I started my sewing tutorials, I made sure I researched, I made sure I checked, okay, what type of videos do people actually put? What type of videos do people want to see? What type of videos do people actually, like to see? There are many things you need to check. Have people you are going to use as your personal influencers that are already on the platform. So for me, I used like Kim Dave, Remy Junaid, Dami Dimension, people like that, Jess Dang, people that, I could watch and relate to, basically, the DIY creators, people like that. And it helped me actually know the type of content I wanted to put out. It actually really helped me. So guys, always do your research. And as a beginner, I would say you can actually explore niches, but don't go too far off. Don't go too far off. So for me, I named my channel Lara Savage Creations, and it's because I wanted to be creating different things and being able to put on that channel. So I'm into fashion, crochet, DIY stuff, so crafts. I'm also going into cement crafts, candle making and stuff like that. So I want to be able to still put those creations on that channel. So many things are coming up. I have so many sustainable fashion tutorials already on the channel. Sewing tutorials, crochet tutorials, gadget reviews, unboxing, my events from YouTube. I have everything on that particular channel. Now, another important thing is don't do sub for sub. Don't tell somebody, subscribe to my channel, I subscribe to your channel. It's not good. It's going to affect your channel so much, because what if that person subscribes and after subscribing, the person does not watch your videos? YouTube is going to see it as a spam, and YouTube will remove that person from your channel. They'll remove the person's subscription. You're not wondering, did the person not subscribe, blah blah blah. Meanwhile, it's because the person is not actually interested in what you are posting. So make sure it's people that are interested in what you are posting that are actually subscribing to your channel. All those mediums of getting views, subscriptions, YouTube will flag it as spam sometimes, because they'll feel, why is it the same set of people that are coming to watch your videos every single time? Like, there is no new person, no other person. It's just this same set of people. It's going to become suspicious to YouTube, and they're going to cut it. There's someone I know that was demonetized because YouTube thought her viewers were coming from majorly WhatsApp. And they felt, okay, WhatsApp, maybe they don't trust the WhatsApp platform for bringing many people to their platform or something. I don't even understand how she got demonetized, but they said it seemed suspicious and they demonetized her. So you basically need to know what you're doing. Even if your family members don't subscribe to your channel, don't worry, because sometimes they will even subscribe and they will still not watch your videos. So what's the essence? What's the essence of their subscription? So just let YouTube have the algorithm do its thing and put your video in front of the people that actually need to watch it. Now, the final thing I would say is trust the process. Trust the process. Trust it. you know, once you post your video, just trust it that yes, I've posted it and I'm ready to let the algorithm do its work. And also, always check your analytics. Download that YouTube Studio app. Download it on your phone. Download it so that you can be monitoring your watch hours. Download it so that you can be monitoring your earnings. Me checking my watch hours every day actually helped me, you know that I was growing and I was growing the right way. So when I first started checking my watch hours, it was not even moving. Like, the pace was so tiny. And I now noticed it was increasing by 1 hour, then it increased to 2 hours, 10 hours. Then I was curious and said, what video is actually bringing like this amount of watch hours? Then I went to check. It was a video I did 2 years before. That's why I said consistency is very important. You don't know which video is going to blow on your channel and help you get those watch hours, those views that you need. And your watch hours, when you're checking your watch hours, always check the one on the end tab in the YouTube Studio. So the last option below, not on your analytics itself. Your analytics is going to join your shorts watch hours with your long form. Then you're like, oh, I'm already on 4,000 watch hours. Not knowing that your long form might even just be 1,000 of those 4,000 hours, because probably you've been focusing on shorts. So people have been watching your shorts, they've been watching your shorts, but the shorts views are not still up to what can give you your monetization. 3 million views in 90 days or 10 million views in 90 days. If your videos are not getting those amount of views, you need to re-strategize and focus on your long form. And, you know, put a pause on shorts. So just post like once a week, twice a week, 3 times a week, you know, but let people also appreciate your long form videos. So guys, that's all I have for this video. I hope you guys learned a lot from this video. If you have any questions, do well to comment in the comment section. I'll be ready to reply you. Subscribe to this channel as well. Guys, it's been an amazing journey on YouTube, and being monetized has helped me, you know, reflect, and, you know, it just brought a sense of, you know, a good feeling basically to me. And I decided to share, you know, the tips, tricks and stuff that helped me. Like the mistakes I made, I don't want you guys to make it. So yes, that's all I have for this video. Guys, comment in the comment section, like this video, share within and outside your circle, subscribe. And until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon or night, wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.